Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Uh Man, look at my face. Your boy needed tape really bad. But I had just washed my hair. But anyways, that's not the case. So right here, as you can see, I have a light bulb. Uh this is for my the second brake light, like the tail light. I'm gonna show you guys where it's located for my car. This is a 2008 Toyota Avalon. Of course, I had already changed the other ones that I did a video already on. So I'm gonna show you the one that I took out. So this one is a little smaller. So as you can see right here, this one is smaller, so it's different. This one is burnt out. I don't know if you guys can see the color of it, but it's black. Now come up closer to the camera. It's burnt out, so it's no good. So this number is 194, and you could get it at Walmart. I got it for like, with tax it came to like $5 and change. If you go to an auto store, the auto store is going to be more expensive. This right here is like, I think about $10 at the auto store. If you go to like maybe Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone, it's gonna run you like 10 bucks, 10, 11 bucks, something like that. They, for some reason, they're always expensive at the auto store. All right, so the light that I'm talking about, you know, you have your, do I have my keys? Yeah, I have my keys. All right, so as you can see, this is your normal the normal brake light, basically right there. You probably can't even see it, but it's right here. So what I'm going to change is this one. You see one bulb right in there, you can see it. This one I removed the old one, so you're not going to see a bulb. You're going to see a blank space. It's empty. You see it right there, empty? Yeah. So this second one is located up there. You guys not gonna be able to see it. It's not the big one. It's not this one right here. It's not this one. It's the second one, which is right there. So to get it out, you basically have to push. Well, let me move this out of the way. Sorry, I'm in the way. Let me move myself out of the way. Right here, you push this end in and push the other end in and pull it out. And it's easy to reinstall because all you got to do is push the bulb in. So I'm gonna show you guys. Let me put down the camera right here. Oh, staying up. Oh yeah, let me put down the camera. Show you guys. So opening it right now. As you can see it. And right here, as you can see, it's like this. And it's like that. And all you got to do is push it in. So I'm probably not gonna be able to do it, but all you got to do is push it. Oop, I drop it. All you basically got to do is just push it in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. So you just line it up like so, as you can see. Line it up, it's lined up, and push in. Boom, got it. Did it with one hand. So you line it up, push it in, and put it back where you got it from. So push it back into that hole. If you guys could see it, that I pushed it back in the hole. Can't really see, but it's back up there. I know you guys can't see it. I'm so sorry you guys can't see it, but it's easy, an easy step. Let me turn the camera on the other side to show you guys properly. Let me move myself out of the way, and as you can see, I just pushed. It is right up there. I don't know if you guys could see it. I really can't see, but I pushed it back up there. And these clips right here, these clips, you just got to line it back up. If you have new ones, you could just put new ones in. This clip, you put it back in there, line it up to this one, and just push it back, and it fits perfectly. Okay, on the other side, basically gonna do the same thing. Pop this one out, pop that one out, and this one may be easy. As I said, you just squeeze the two clip, squeeze the clip in and pull. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, guys, but I'm trying to do it for you guys. As you can see, it's two of them. This is one bulb, but it's not this one we're dealing with. We're dealing with the second one, the smaller one next to it. So if you could look, that's the second one. You see it? And as I said, you got to squeeze the side. You got to squeeze the side in and just pull. And I can't do it with one hand, so give me a minute. Let me show myself really. It's easy to just do it. Two hand instead of one. Alright guys, I got it. As I said, you gotta squeeze. Switch back the camera. Alright, so you gotta squeeze this end, squeeze that end right there, and squeeze the other end. It's kind of hard. You got to do it with your two hands. You can't do it with one hand. So you got to basically squeeze and pull to get this whole part out. And as you can see, the bulb is blown, it's black. You guys see it, it don't look clear. And this part, you got to pull it out. I got to use two hands to do it. Can't do it with one hand. You don't want to mess the wires up. So hold on. Here we go. Got it out. And here's the new one. So that one is out. And this is the new one. You know, I do my best to change the both of them the same time. I don't really, oh, if one is out, I'm gonna change one. No, change the both of them the same time. And as I said, like what I did the other side, as you can see it, you just line it up and push in, and once you pop it in, it's gonna fit. So it's hard to hold the camera to show you, but all you gotta do is just push it in. Easy at 1, 2, 3. There it is. It's pushed in, and get it back into where it's supposed to go, which is that red part. You can't even see. Let me see if I could get a good angle. Man, where is that? Is it blocking it? I can't even see it with the camera. Hold on, guys. Okay. There you go. You see that red spot right there? That's where it goes. So you basically just push it up. Yeah, just push it up in there, and you're good to go. I don't even know if the camera picked that up, but I pushed it in, and yeah, just push it up in there. It's kind of hard to do to show you guys, but you got to do what you got to do. Correct? Yeah. All right, guys. So I got it, and make sure you line it up. As I said, line it up. Line up the clips to go back into the hole. Yep, that clipped in properly. And this one, guys can see it right there. Boom, perfect. And that's that. You're done. All right, what we're gonna do, we are going to test it out. So I'm just gonna turn my light on. I don't know if you guys are gonna see it. Oh yes, yes you can. Bulb number 1 works, and bulb number 2 works. So perfect. Got them, both of them in, and that's how you replace. That's how you replace the second brake light bulb. And this works for the 2005. Sorry, I'm sweating. It's humid out here. I washed my hair. It's hot and humid out here. Washed my hair, so my hair is still wet too. But anyways, I'm using the 194 long life bulb. That's the size for the second brake light. As you can see, this right here. Yep, for this one at the top. And it works. Back into the car. Easy and simple. Turn it off. Turn it off. It's over here actually. Yeah, so it works for, let me turn on the car. Oh my. Come to the weather here in Florida. So yes, it will work for 2005 all the way to 2012. I don't know about the newer ones. That's why I always tell you guys, the 2005 all the way to 2012 is basically the same. It'll look a little different. Yeah, they got the facelift, look different, but stuff like that, like the light bulb and everything, be the same. So it'll work. As I said, this one is the 194. Look for that number, 194, for the little the second brake light. I love to have all my lights lit when I step on the brake and everything, so everybody see, and you know, don't want to get a ticket. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate the love and the support. Peace out. Bye bye. Take care. I gotta get me some windshield washer fluid. It's like $2 and change at Walmart. I can't believe I forget to get them when I went and got the light. And you could get the lights at Walmart. It's cheaper than you going to the auto store. They have this one. This one was like $5.11. This is with tax. So it was like $4 and something, and the tax run it up to $5.11. They do have another one, say white, but it doesn't matter if it's white or yellow or this type of color, because it's gonna show red regardless, because it's your brake light. It's not like your front light, and the headlights is the same H11. So unless you're going to get like the HIDs, I don't know what, the LEDs, the LED HID, I don't know what number of is it for your fog lights and your headlight. I only know about for the fog lights, but for the headlights, it usually be the same. It'd be the same H11, whichever one you want, because they have like some different ones that's more expensive. They have like one of these, which is like the Ultra, that it's like H11 Ultra. That at Walmart is like $54. Is it? No, it's not 54. It's like a close to $100. It's close to $100. The one that say Ultra, but it's still H11. They have a cheaper brand, a cheaper one that's H11 that you could get for like maybe $20 something. Then they have another one that's like $35. Have one that's $40, and it goes up, you know. But yeah, that's all I want to share with you guys. Peace out. Bye bye. Take care. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope I didn't enjoy it out too long. Did my best to show you guys. Peace out. Bye bye. Take care. God bless. I am out.